Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be my plan with me. I'm so sorry this is going up so late. It's literally like 8:30 at night on Monday and I'm recording this. And I've been meaning to record this since yesterday. So, anyways, I'm using the rainy day kit, a rainy garden kit from my shop. It is still available. This is the mini or personal size kit. You can also get it for Erin Condren, and until Saturday you will be able to get it for Happy Planner size because I am discontinuing carrying a Happy Planner option just for weekly kits. There will still be the monthly kits because those are so different, but because the box length is literally the only difference for the Happy Planner, I am just not going to be doing that anymore. Yeah, it just takes up a lot of space or time, not space, time. So I am just going to put this together. I am also pulling in some stuff from my shop and other shops, and yeah, it's just be a regular with music. And I also want to, because it's still Monday, wish my nephew a very happy birthday. His birthday is today and I am so excited. So yes, I will get into it now.